Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about bicarbonate of soda, which so many of us know as baking soda. So the other day I made this teeth whitening video and I added baking soda to one of my ingredients. I made one earlier without baking soda, which actually worked, and I tried another one again this time around with baking soda, and it also worked well also too. So today I'll be talking about baking soda because one of my friends asked me if baking soda is actually good for the teeth, and I'm very sure that most of you that might have seen that video might also ask me the same question because I had something like a stain of on my teeth. So yeah, baking soda is actually good for the teeth, but baking soda is harsh. Okay, for somebody like me that have soft gum, baking soda is actually harsh. Even people with strong gum, most times they bleed when they use baking soda. So when you're using baking soda on your teeth, you can use little, just small quantity, and make sure not to scrub too hard. So today I'll be telling us just three reasons why I think, or why you should know, that baking soda is actually good for your teeth. So yeah, I wrote them down, so I'll be reading them out to you so you understand why most people use baking soda on their teeth and why you would see baking soda at the back of your paste. Most times when you check your paste ingredients, I don't know if it's all paste, but most paste I've used, I see baking soda there. So I'll be telling you three reasons why baking soda is actually used on the teeth. There's more, but I'll be telling you just three. You can go and make research for the rest, or if you want more, you can let me know in the comment section and I'll try my possible best to make more research on it. Okay, so number one, baking soda can actually act as a brightening agent and make your teeth brighter and whiter. So most people use baking soda on their teeth. One of the reasons is because they want their teeth to be white and shiny. Yes, so that is why most people use baking soda on their teeth. Now moving forward, baking soda contains sodium bicarbonate, which when mixed with water forms a base and fights the acid and plaques which can cause cavities. That is another reason why most people use baking soda on their teeth. So baking soda should not be used every day because it is harsh. You can use it maybe twice or three times a week, or maybe once a week, but not every day, so you don't actually spoil your what's it called, gum. And yes, baking soda helps remove all those things. How should I call it? Let me call it tata. All those tata on your teeth, all those plaques, it helps you to remove them. So another reason why baking soda people use baking soda on their teeth, which I'll be making my last reason, is because baking soda has also been shown to reduce mouth ulcers and sores. So yeah, baking soda can also help you get rid of mouth ulcers and sores. So these are the three reasons why I feel you should use, or you can use baking soda on your teeth. Despite the fact that it is harsh, I keep using it because anytime I use it, it whitens my teeth. The only problem I have is that I am not faithful with it. That is why my teeth is not white completely yet. But yeah, anytime I use it, it whitens my teeth. So you can use my method, the last teeth whitening I used with baking soda, on your teeth to whiten your teeth, or you can just apply baking soda to your toothpaste. Like after adding toothpaste to your brush, you sprinkle small baking soda on it and you use it on your teeth. Or you can add baking soda to a container, small amount of baking soda to a container, then you add water, small amount of water also to the baking soda, and you mix it, you turn it to a paste, and then you just use it on your teeth. But like I said, baking soda is harsh, so please do not scrub, like do not, just be gentle on that teeth. And also don't use it every day. Do not use baking soda on your teeth every day. I don't know what other people will tell you, but for me, I can't use baking soda on my teeth every day because it is harsh and I have soft gum. So I would also tell you the same thing. Don't use baking soda on your teeth every day. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, please turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you will be notified. Thank you. And if you want to know more about this, if you don't want to make the research yourself, if you want me to make the research and come out again to give you feedback on what I've done and all of that on baking soda, let me know in the comment section, and trust me, I will do that. I will make my research and I will come back here, sit down in front of my camera, and give you all the information I learned about this guy here. So thanks for watching. See you on our next video. Bye. Have a nice day.